One of the better teams in baseball right now is the San Francisco Giants. 7-3 in their last 10. I think it goes out to like 12-4 in their last 16. Snell has kicked into another gear. Logan Webb is leading in innings pitched. The Giants are playing a good brand of baseball. They're about to play 4 with Atlanta. If they handle that series, the Giants, who are playing some winning baseball right now, 4 with Atlanta, 2 versus Oakland, and then they have the White Sox. If the Giants split with Atlanta, what are we going to say about the Giants in a week and a half, who are 2 games above 500